Hi everyone, today I'm going to share an excellent technique on how to use the Hook Modifier with cloth simulation. Let's begin. I've already created a picnic table for this demo, and now we'll be creating a tablecloth pull effect using cloth simulation and the Hook Modifier. First, I'll create a plane on top of the picnic table by pressing Shift-A, Mesh, and then click on Plane. Then I'll scale the plane roughly to match the size of the tablecloth. It doesn't have to be perfectly accurate. Next, I'll reset the scale and rotation of the plane by pressing Ctrl-A and applying rotation and scale. This is a very important step because for accurate cloth simulation, the scale and rotation values should be set to 1. Now I'll subdivide the plane. I'll go into Edit mode, select the plane, then right-click and choose Subdivide. Once I do that, a panel appears in the bottom left of the viewport where I can adjust the subdivision level. For this simulation, I think around 50 subdivisions will work fine. Keep in mind, the more you subdivide your mesh, the more detail you'll get, but it will also impact performance. So it's all about finding the right balance between quality and performance. Now the fun part begins. I'll go to the physics panel and enable the cloth simulation. Once that's applied, the cloth simulation is ready. Now we can simply press the play button on the timeline to see the simulation in action. But wait, what just happened? The cloth passed right through the objects and fell to the ground. This is because the objects the cloth is supposed to interact with don't have collision enabled. Collisions are very important in simulations. They tell the object what to interact with and what to ignore. They can also help with performance. Instead of applying collision to every object, I'll only apply it to the table. This way, the computer only needs to calculate interactions with the table, not the entire scene. Now comes the tricky part, creating the tablecloth pull effect. For this, we'll use the Hook Modifier to achieve this kind of controlled motion. Before we begin, we need to apply the cloth modifier to preserve the shape we've achieved so far. If we don't apply it, the cloth will reset back to its original plane shape, making it difficult to use the Hook Modifier effectively. To create the cloth pull effect, first we need to assign a vertex group to the vertices where we want the pull to happen. I'll go into Edit mode, select those vertices, then go to the Object Data panel. In the Vertex Group section, I'll click the plus button to create a new group, and then click Assign to assign the selected vertices to that group. Now I'll add the cloth modifier again to the tablecloth because I want to assign the vertex group as a pin group. This is necessary for the cloth pull effect to work. After assigning the pin group, I'll add the Hook Modifier to the cloth. I'll go into Edit mode, select the same vertices that were assigned to the pin group, then press Ctrl+H. From the menu, I'll choose Hook to New Object. This will create an empty, and the Hook Modifier will be applied to the tablecloth, with the empty placed exactly at the position of the selected vertices. Now we're almost done. The final thing to make sure of is that the Hook Modifier is placed above the cloth modifier in the modifier stack. Once that's set, press the play button and move the empty to see the cloth pull effect in action. Just imagine the possibilities with this technique. Vehicle reveals, product reveals, curtain animations, and so much more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and keeps me motivated to create more content.